Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if y'all are new, welcome. My name is Lorena and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you how to do this eye look. It's just using pretty much two colors, but yeah, it's red and I like it, you know. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Huda beauty palette. I'm gonna go in with Henna, and that will be going into my crease area. I'm gonna go in with Maneater, which is that one. And I'm gonna go in with another crease brush and just put it into my crease area. Because I don't know if I want this all over the lid or, yeah. I'm gonna go back in with Henna and blend all that out. I'm gonna go ahead and get a different brush and put Maneater all over the lid. Back on the brush that I've been using Henna with and blend that out. Mix both Henna and Maneater together. Now I'm going to go in with Bay in this palette, which is right there, and this is going to go on the high points of my brow bone. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Henna, and then I'll go back in with Maneater. So it's going to be Henna first and then Maneater for the lower lash line. I'll go back in with Henna. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Better Than Sex mascara and some liquid lipstick by Kat Von D in Ludwig, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the end of this short tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed it, liked it. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, yeah, like I just said, I hope y'all like this tutorial. I know it was really short, but yeah, everything I use on my face plus my eyes will be down below in the description box. And please like and subscribe. Comment down below if y'all have any other video ideas or requests or anything. So yeah, thank y'all so much again for watching, and please remember to spread love, stay positive, and just be nice, okay? Thank y'all, and see y'all in my next video. Bye. Oh. It's the fact that you're never sober. This shirt keeps riding up. Oh, I should have said excuse my lips, because I think my lips were really red in the beginning. My nasty habit. Oh well.
You don't gotta say it, I know you ain't staying over, but you're just my type. You can't decide if you'll be yours.